Ciao a tutti, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For who doesn't know me, I'm Chef Francesco Cavazzina. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a homemade tagliatelle pasta with the white truffles. For this recipe you will need 200 grams flour, 2 eggs, 1 pinch of salt and extra virgin olive oil. Mix all the ingredients until a uniform consistency. Then wrap in a cling film and rest in the chiller for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, start to fold in the machine gradually, every time reducing the gear. And if you feel, add more flour during the process to avoid the stickiness. Cut the pasta sheet in approximately 20 centimeters. Don't forget to dust with the flour between the layers. You can cut the pasta sheet with a sharp knife, or as I'm doing, you can cut with the machine. Roll the pasta and then keep on the side. You can dry if you like, and you can keep for a couple of days. So now when our pasta is ready, we can start to do our sauce. Actually, it's very easy. You will need 1 white truffle, depending from its growing season, or you can use black truffles, which are available during most of the year. 40 grams of butter, some thyme, and a pinch of salt. At the same time, add the salt in a boiling water, then add the pasta and cook for 1-2 minutes. Once the pasta is ready, you can add directly to the sauce. Add some boiling cooking water to the pan to make the pasta more creamy. To give more flavor to the pasta, you can grate some white truffle and finish it with the grana padano. You can still add more water to create this creaminess, and then you can start to plate. At the end, shave more white truffle on top of the dish. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the white truffles, smash the like button and subscribe.